So the key here, get all your infrastructure in place. Make sure that when you start getting the traffic, you look legit. You've got the logo, you've got the
Mm-hmm.
forms, the
Mm-hmm.
website looks tight, okay? So let's assume that we've gotten through that part. And again, we just kind of touched on the tip of that iceberg. Where are you finding traction? Because at the end of the day, your primary goal is to get phone people on the phone, get
Yeah.
leads for the
Mm-hmm.
client. So
Mm-hmm.
what are some ways that you've been executing on that here during the middle of 2020?
So, making sure that you come up for relevant keywords, like I
Yep.
mentioned before, is really key. Those reviews online are really key. But also, one thing that I see a lot with social media is all businesses think that they need to be on all different accounts. And it's gotten better over the years as Facebook and Instagram and everyone's kind of evolved to have their audience. But I think that businesses, like I'll go back to that plumbing example because I guess plumbing's at the top of my mind today. The plumbing example, I don't necessarily think a plumbing company needs to be on Twitter. And I see this so often. And even when we're taking over a website or doing their SEO, we're testing for links that aren't working. And sometimes those pop up with social media. Like Twitter is a big one that not a lot of companies use, but a lot of companies have. And it just depends on your industry. So I bought these hair ties the other day and I love them. They're my favorite hair ties. And I was looking at their social media sites and they don't have a Facebook page. They
Wow.
don't have a Facebook page. They only have Instagram. But you need to have a Facebook page in order to have Instagram, but they don't advertise their Facebook page. They only advertise their Instagram. And I was thinking, that is so smart because they know their audience and they know where their audience is. And you don't necessarily have to be on everything, you just have to be on the right platforms.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.